Hello and welcome, members of Launchers, and this is a preview of the GEO SEO Super App. It is an open source app that I've developed, which is, I believe, the most powerful SEO tool you could possibly have in your arsenal. So let me show you a million things that it does. Essentially, you could get the GEO SEO Super App, and it plugs in to everything. So it plugs into ChatGPT, it plugs into the on-page API, it plugs into Chrome, it plugs into Brave, Edge, Cloudflare, it plugs into Google Search Console, it plugs into Bing Search Console. You can plug it into everything and do everything. Let me show you what you could possibly use it for. If you want a quick audit, let's say you want to have HTML to ZPL and your keyword is HTML to ZPL, you come in here and you could load one of the SEO recipes. So this is essentially having an agent do a full SEO audit, and it'll use real entity data from onpage.ai because I've already connected it. And what you could do is, look, I could just click run right here, and it's going to go out and it's going to acquire the data for you and produce a full audit as if an employee had worked on the doing the research and the site for hours and hours and hours. So let me show you what it looks like just really quickly. You would get something like this. After like 2 minutes or so, you get a full report, and it used the actual entity engine that we use at OnPage. It used a categorization. It used it crawled everything online as well, and it'll tell you like here's the highest impact findings, and you'll have a full analysis of the site, of the page, a full audit. You could literally hand this to a customer or a client if you were doing site audits. It is an in-depth audit. And then you could take action on it. So here it'll tell you everything. Here's the classification data. Here's the entities you need to use. Here's the topics you need to cover. Here's like what's missing. Here are the benchmarks. Here's everything. And it'll just give you the full like priority list of what we need to do to optimize in order to rank that page. Now you have the report on the side right here. So if ever you wanted, I could just move this report. And if you want to look at the individual entities, you just open it up and say, okay, well, this page needs to rank for HTML to ZPL, but we're not mentioning label or image or printer, right? So let me just put it back here. And if I want to tell the AI to then add it to the page, I could literally just click on one of these things. So look, let me just click on label, and it says rework mentions of labels, so the page covers it as an entity. So I just click on this. Let's say I want to do image. So then you can see it as I click the words, it's just adding the words into here. Say, okay, well, I wanted this too, and add the word printers, and add the word AI. All right, cool. So now I'm asking the AI to just add this to the page. And let's say I say, okay, well, you versus page one. Okay, words. We don't have enough words, all right? So I'm just clicking here, and it's giving it an instruction to increase the words from 139 to the average. And I can scroll through and say, okay, well, let's say topical authority questions. Let's say we want to add this one. We want to cover this. I just click through the report, and anything you click through in the report, internal links. All right, cool. So let's say I want to add this internal link, right? So add an internal link from this page. You could just get the AI to do everything. So here I have a whole recipe that I selected from the report, and I just go through the report and pick out what I want done. Structured data. Do we have the right structured data? Oh, wow. So we're not covering this, and the competitors are. So I want this. Cool. So add all of this structured data schema to the page because the competitors are all using them and we're not using them, right? So here I have a whole day's work of instructions that I added, and I just send it to the AI. And if you could give the AI access to the website, which is actually really easy, I have a whole thing here. You can just add connected websites. So you just add a website, and it'll go through and it'll walk you through connecting the website for you. So then I just click send, and then the AI is going to go. But what's even cooler is, let's say you don't even want to connect the website. You could actually just use Chrome. I could say, open the site in Chrome, and then scroll to the footer for me. So, all right, cool. So I could just say, use one of the plugins. So then the website, the agent could go and use the Chrome connector to essentially control and look at the browser in the page, right? So it could do this. It could do all the work for you, and we should be able to see it soon. There we go. So it literally just opened this page up. It was not open a second ago, and now it is scrolling to the bottom of the page. So you could get it to do autonomous work for you on top of everything. So now it should tell us that it just completed the task. Let's go to the bottom. Let's make sure, or it's going to say, cool. Yeah. So I opened this, I scrolled to the footer. So you could get it to do autonomous tasks. And that's just scratching the first surface, right? So let's say I want to do something else. Let me go to new task right here. And we'll use the same website as an example. But now I want recipes, right? So here I have all the recipes, all the things that you could do. Like, let me just open it up. Let's say you want a diagnostic, you want a full audit, you want to log into the Search Console, look at what you're in position 4 to 20 for, and then reinforce that. So it'll change the recipe. Let's say you want to change, you're working on click-through rate, and you want to improve click-through rate. That's another thing. Let's say you want to crawl the site, you want to optimize, you want to recover a stuck page. I have a recipe for that. Let's say you just want to add structured data. You want to add schema to the page. So this page has the ideal schema. So like kind of what I did before, except you could literally just click this, put your website in, click add the schema, structured data, and then you click run, and it'll do it for you. So these are the action ones. We got internal links. Let's say I want to add internal links to this, or I want to add internal links for the entire website. Cool. So then you put in the sitemap right here. It'll go and add internal links to the entire website. And I'm just go through the recipes and recipes and recipes, and we're adding more recipes. And what's cool is we're going to have community recipes where people are going to be able to share their recipes. So you could use other people's recipes or add your own custom recipes, edit whatever you want inside. Absolutely insane. Now, another thing you could do, let's say you want to crawl the website yourself. So you know crawlers. I could here, so your website HTML to ZPL, perfect. And now I could just do start crawl, and it'll crawl the website like some other tools that I won't name right now, but it'll crawl other website, look at all the issues like broken links, H1s, and all that stuff, or canonical. So here, canonical is not set successfully. So let's say I want to send this to the agents for the agent to send it, to fix it. Here you go. I could just send him the recipe and tell him this is what you need to do to fix these canonical issues. So here I crawled the entire site. We crawled this entire thing in about a matter of seconds. We crawled every single page, and we see how many links it has. If we find any orphan page, we have the overviews, missing H1. So we have duplicate titles here. So I can say, hey, fix the duplicate titles here on this page, this page, this page, this page. I can just send it to the agent and say, hey, fix the duplicate titles. Awesome. Now we have so many other things. Let's say I want to connect Search Console, and I would just want to have something connected here. Then I can have my Search Console, and I'm going to open, and I will go, let's say, I have no idea. I got to blur some of this out. Cool. So here I can just run a report on the Search Console. It'll give me data that like I could use right here. Okay, cool. Perfect. And now you could just send this to the agent. You could give it context. You could do whatever you want. Indexation, super, super cool. We have indexation. So we have a personal indexer that you could set up. Essentially what it does is it will create a Cloudflare page, and it'll publish your own index, and it'll submit everything. So if you want, let's say I want to index this page, like new page, I could just do publish and submit, and it'll submit a new page with your with link back to your page. Essentially, it's an indexer that I built in so you can have your own personal indexer. All right, I know I'm rambling right now. This is absolutely crazy what you could do with the new tool, which is going to be the GEO SEO Superapp. Open it up, whatever you want to do. You could select a recipe. You could make up a recipe on your own. You have absolutely all the power at your fingertips. This is also going to be an open source project, so I'm going to be just releasing this, and I hope you guys enjoy and you're excited. So I'll talk to you soon.